see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today carrot crisps and my help gonna be Master Chef Enrico. It's long time he's not with us.
Yes, a very long time.
Yeah, guys, this is very funny to cook, easy and healthy and super vegetarian. We need at the moment, first step, we need
Carrots, because it's called carrot crisps. Obvious.
Obviously. We're gonna boil it. The water is already on. I don't wanna annoy you, but we're gonna peel it all the carrot quickly like that. When they're ready, we're gonna chop it and we're gonna put in the water. Okay, see you when all the carrots is ready. I'll show you next step. Okay guys, my carrots they peel nicely. The water is boiling. I need some salt in the water. Something like that, because later we're gonna add more ingredients. And the carrots are ready to go.
We need to start cutting them
You
into
just
little
chop
slices.
rough like this, okay?
Yeah.
Anyway, somebody will pass on. You can start put
Putting
inside.
them in.
Careful, the
Do not
water is
burn
very
yourself.
hot.
Do not burn yourself.
And this one, guys, we're gonna boil around 15-18 minutes.
And if you, when they finish, you can put them into an empty crisp packet.
Yeah, they look very nice. Okay guys, see you in 15-20 minutes, not more, and later we're gonna blend it. Okay, and always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check our
website, cookingwithanitalian.com.
Okay, see you when the carrots they're ready. Okay guys, my carrot exactly 15 minutes. I pour the water. You know, they very soft. And now what we're gonna do? We gonna blend it, or if you don't have this one, you can smash it. We need smash, okay? And we take your time. I do this. Do this, mash all the carrots, and we're gonna start add some ingredients.
Yeah.
I show you soon. My carrot, they mashed, they were beautiful. Later, guys, you use. I make this video, but you use how many carrots you like, okay? Because it's very easy.
And you can add any spices you want, including paprika.
Yeah, you can use any spicy you like. You can
Including pepper,
paprika, spicy.
We don't use it because I want to try it.
Yeah.
I don't like spice.
Enrico don't like spicy. Oh, very good. Some salt, please. Yeah.
We need salt.
How much you like?
We need some salt. We need
Salt. Baking powder.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, but you know.
1 teaspoon.
No, not much.
Okay.
One
And red pepper.
red paprika. Yes, I like it. But I repeat, it's not obligatory. This you can use what you like. Black pepper.
Black pepper.
And
garlic.
garlic powder is good.
Yeah. It looks delicious already.
Yeah. And another thing, guys. This now we're gonna mix. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. This they going in the oven. Preheat the oven 140 degrees. We're gonna cook this around 20-25 minutes. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? We mix everything. Mix. And I show you the next step when it's nice and mix everything. Okay guys, this is already mixed. It's a little bit cooled down. I left there at least 10 minutes. Prep with you one tray with baking paper, some olive oil,
And this.
and this brush. So we first we put some oil just on the bottom, on the paper, just like this, quickly. What we're gonna take some
And make it flat so.
No.
Make it into a ball.
Yeah, like
and
a ball.
then make it flat.
Yeah. So put like this. And Enrico, passami il bicchiere.
Make it flat with something.
Take a glass.
We use a glass
Yeah, you can use anything you like.
that makes it flat.
I show you one. Just press. A little bit like this.
Not too much.
Not too much. You know,
To make
like
it
this.
look like a pizza.
Yeah. Make. I show you another one.
Just imagine you're making a flat pizza.
Yeah.
Don't make it too big.
Yeah, like this. You don't want to be precise, like this. Now, do all your tray, and I show you the next step. We have one more step, and his job is done. Okay?
Yes.
Seriously.
And the last step is trying it.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, guys. My crisp, they're ready now. What we're gonna do here, we gonna add a little bit more salt.
Right now they look like orange pancakes.
Salt, a little touch of pepper again, just quickly. Garlic, just like shower.
Garlic powder, not
Garlic powder, and we brush oil on the top, not too much. It is now they going in the oven 140
What?
for 20-25 minutes. Okay, see you when they
It's ready.
ready to try. Okay,
And it will be delicious.
I hope so. Okay, guys, the cooking time is not 25.
It's 45.
I need 45 minutes in 140. My carrot crisps is they like that. They look absolutely delicious. Now look. One thing is very important to get them to dry and get you know that crunchiness. You have to leave this day already 10,
Perfecto.
15 minutes. Now we have just to try.
Yes.
Come on, Enrico, try one. And tell me. You know, guys. Show me. Okay.
So crunchy.
Guys. Absolutely.
I'm gonna finish it.
Wow. It's another masterpiece. È vero? Wow. Very, very nice. Guys, my carrot crisps
Is this.
is this. If you like.
Finger up and follow us. Ciao.
Ciao. Always. Ciao, ciao.